Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for leave management PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Then go to the Visual Studio. First explore the leave folder. Then go to the document. This is the project full documentation. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the login details and then you can see the web application URL link. Copy the URL, paste to the browser. Now you can see the leave management web application. First go to the login. First log in the admin homepage. So enter the email ID and password. Then log in into the homepage. Login successfully. Now we can see the admin homepage. Admin will be manage the user modules. Admin can add the user and view the user IDs. Then admin will be schedule the timetables. First go to the add user. Here you can add the user ID. Enter the username and email ID. Then give the password. Then enter the mobile number and login ID. Then select the type and department. Next enter the leave balance date. Next select the year and section. Next select the female or male. Next click on the submit. After you add the user, then go to the view user. Here you can see the all user IDs on this page and then you will search to see the users and admin can update and view more the user details. Next go to the reports. Here you can see the leave reports on this page and then you can see the student leave request and then you will see the staff approvals. Then if you want to download the reports, click on the download, then save to download the reports. Next go to the department. Here you will see the all departments on this page and then you will add the new departments on this page. Admin can update and delete the department list. Next go to the add schedule. Here you can schedule the timetable on this page. So select the date and department and then select the year and section. Then select the period. Next enter the subject name and staff name. Next go to the view schedule. Here you can see the all timetable schedules on this page and then you will search to see the timetable. Admin can update and delete the timetable details. Next we will move for the student login. Enter the login ID and password. Then login into the student home page. Now you can see the student home page. Student will be request to the leave to staff. Then you will see the timetable and materials. First go to the post leave. Here you will select the from date and to date. Then give the leave subject, then enter the reason. Next click on the submit. Next you will go to the my leave status. Here you can see our leave approval status. Then you will upload your leave proof. Go to the choose file, then submit. Approval will be pending. Next go to the timetable. Here you can see our timetable schedules on this page. Next go to the materials. Here you will be see the material and that link. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. Next we will move for the staff login. Enter the ID, then password. Now login successfully. Now you can see the staff home page. First go to the approval leave. Staff will be give the approval on the leave and manage the student report. Here you will be see the all student request on this page and then view the leave details, then give the approval. Click on the update status, then approve the request. Next go to the student report. Here you can see the all student leave reports on this page and then you can see the student department and leave balance dates, then contact number. Next go to the material. Here you will be upload the your subject materials on this page. So enter the click the add material, then select the department and year. Then enter the subject name and give the material link. Next we will move for the HOD login. Enter the login ID, then password. Now login successful. It's our two modules. HOD will be manage the approval and view the student report. First go to the approval leave. Here you can see the student leave request and then see the reason and subject, then give the approval. Click on the update status, then enter the number of leave, next select the approval. Update successfully. Next go to the student report. Here you can see the all student leave reports on this page and then see the student department and balance leave dates. That's the whole leave management PHP web application.
Code shopping.